Hey folks, I'm Walter, and I want to talk about shopping in the ports. This is a big business. You know, the cruise ship shows up with 5,000 people, and those stores want as many of those 5,000 people to come in and shop in their stores. So the cruise lines figured this out a long time ago, and this is a big business for the cruise lines themselves. Cruise lines have shopping consultants, they have shopping maps and tell you which stores you should go to, and some of these stores have guaranteed purchases so you won't lose money and yada 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 yada. Two of the stores that come to mind, Diamonds International and Effie, you'll see these at almost every single cruise port, especially in the Caribbean, and every single cruise consultant will tell you to go there and shop because you're going to get the best deals and they're guaranteed. Now, in order for those stores to appear in the cruise line maps and for the consultant to push them, well, they got to pay sponsorship money to the cruise line. So what you're going to be spending in those stores is probably going to be higher than the same or similar item either back home, wherever you live, or from some of the local vendors there in that area. And one of the best ways, one of the easiest ways to check is going to be in your hand, your phone. When you're in a store, when you're looking at something, you can simply Google that item or a similar item and see what the price is online, or maybe what the price is at your hometown. It's very easy to be drawn into everything is duty free, everything is tax free. You can go in and you can shop and you can save all of this money in the cruise ports. But in reality, you may not be saving the money that you think you are. So do some due diligence. Understand that these stores are on the cruise line's map for a reason, because they're paying to be there. Now, when we're in a port, we like to look around and try to find some local vendors who are selling things that are truly unique to that area. You know, at the end of the day, you can get a diamond ring anywhere. You can get a watch anywhere. You can get a pendant anywhere. So before you jump in and go, oh, it's duty free. Oh, the cruise line says I should shop here. Just think about it. Do I really need this? Do I know whether or not I'm actually getting a good deal on this? Or should I look for something that more represents where I am? And then that makes a memory to think back on later.